I've heard so many times, up and down when we have travelled, that this madhab of Salaf is a newly invented thing. By Allah, today we will try to explain what that actually means. It is holding on to the book of Allah and the sunnah of the Messenger ﷺ and the way of the companions. This is what it is. By Allah, what is new about this? And then they say things like, to understand the book of Allah, you need to follow a madhab. And these individuals, meaning these 4 Imams, and we hold these 4 Imams in high esteem. Do not misunderstand what we are trying to say. These 4 Imams had a very, very high, lofty position from the ulama of the Sunnah. La shak wa la rayb. They had knowledge, and we acknowledge that. But what we say is it permissible, because what their students have noted down and later on became a madhab, that if today someone brings you a hadith of the Messenger Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, or brings you a verse from the Quran, that is outright rejected because it was not documented by their students on that particular Imam, this is where it becomes blameworthy. And regarding their argument that they came before you, they were way, way, way before you, so they had better knowledge, they knew regarding the Quran and the Sunnah because they were closer, then we use that same argument and we say, well, what about the companions of the Messenger of Allah? They were before the 4 Imams. They were before the 4 Imams. They lived with the Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam.